Hello, I'm Dr. Jameel. I'm a surgical gastroenterologist and laparoscopic surgeon at Apollo Hospital's Greams Road in Chennai. I'm very happy to have treated Mrs. Lakshmi. Mrs. Lakshmi came with acute large bowel obstruction. She was quite unwell when she presented to us. She required an emergency operation. It was quite a major undertaking, and I had to have some frank and honest discussions with Mrs. Lakshmi's family, Mr. Balajee, her son, about the prognosis of the underlying condition and the risks involved with surgery. I have to say the family were very much on board with what we were thinking, and it was very nice of them to have told us that we could go ahead with whatever we think was the best for the patient. So on that basis, despite her age, she's 90-year-old, so despite her age and the complex nature of the underlying problem, we went ahead with an operation. I'm very happy to say that she went through the surgery very well, and her post-operative course was also excellent with no complications whatsoever. And here she is. She's come for a review today, an outpatient review. And it's only about 10 or 11 days. Am I right?
6 days. She got operated on the 23rd.
She was discharged.
Sorry, on the 22nd she got operated.
22nd. And she was discharged on the 6th day.
24th. 6th day.
She was discharged on the 6th day, and today is the 10th day from the date of surgery. And she's almost back to her normal self. I'm extremely happy for her, and I'm happy for the family too. I wish her good health and long life, and I thank Mrs. Lakshmi and her family for posing their trust in us, and we're very happy to have been involved in her care.
Sure. Let me pick up from Dr. Jameel. My name is Balajee. I'm the eldest son of my mother, Lakshmi and she's 90 years old, born on 18/9/1931. And she's been excellent person by nature, and it's sad enough just on the 16th of early morning she had developed a sense of acute vomiting and breathlessness early in the morning. So I had to get back to my family doctor, Dr. Naveen Bhatt, who's been treating her for the last 24 years, and he wanted us to get scanned. So they went for a scanning, and the moment he got the scan, he said the best person for you is Dr. J K A Jameel, and whom he has not met so far, and he heard so much about him. And we said it's fine. So he said he will take the course forward in terms of how the treatment has to be done. When we checked into the Apollo, it was so seamless in the emergency. We never felt that we had to wait endlessly like other places. And she was put in emergency till morning 6 o'clock, and then she was shifted to a CCU. And after a couple of days observations, Dr. Jameel came and said that she need to undergo a surgery, and it's slightly complicated considering age. The surgery was very nicely done. I'm actually proud to give this testimony to you, because not only in particular to Apollo Hospital, but in general to Dr. Jameel's team and himself, who has been so flawless in the entire approach to a person of that age, number one. Number two is, I am proud to say that my mother never felt till 2 days back she was actually undergone a surgery. So that takes a lot in terms of experience, in terms of dedication, in terms of your understanding the perspective on where the patient is coming from. I should also not failing in my duty if I don't reciprocate what the team has done. The staff at the ward, the nurses at the ward, and the people at the commercial business center where we need to go and do a checkout of the process in terms of discharging patients has been so extremely good in a large hospital like this, be it a private hospital, whatever, or the corporate hospital you talk about. But they have been so seamless in making you comfortable at every point of time. Right from the time the courtesy extended for you to sit and just relax. They know that the agony of the patient's family you undergo. I think, holistically, I think I give my large credit to Apollo Hospital. And this is not the first time. This is the second time I bring my mother here. My father was there 10, 12 years back. And then I think we had a very satisfying experience, I would say that. But all because my family doctor, Dr. Naveen Bhatt and Dr. Jameel, without them, I think I would not been sitting in to give this wonderful testimony. I thank the hospital. I wish the hospital, every doctors, every staff, every nurse, every management team for their excellent work, and I hope that they are in the way of offering a greater service to humanity, whoever comes to the Apollo Hospital. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
I feel obligated. It's my duty, and I think I'm too good to see my mom back, and she's very normal now. We've been seeing her for many years now. I'm sure she's good to go home.
So happy for her.
Yeah. என்ன சொல்லணும் அவருக்கு?
சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன்.
சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு.
சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன்.
She says that she's extremely happy that I'm trying to translate her.